If you trade CFDs like me and follow a lot of influencers like I did in the beginning, you may not understand some of the practice of the pros. There are many who promote that trading is easy and it doesn't take a lot of effort. This hasn't been my experience. In order to survive and be constantly profitable in the long run, just like any business, you must track your stats. This can be time consuming. If you want to simplify and speed up your journaling process, you'll want to watch this video. Bringing your playbook, trading recap, and psychology journal into one dashboard will help you understand your performance and what you need to improve faster. I currently use TradeZella for this. In this video, I'm going to give an honest review of TradeZella so that you can decide on whether or not it will help you with your trading journey. When I did the remote trading with S&B Capital, they emphasized the fact that you should be loading your data into a platform that will summarize your data and that gives you the ability to tag your trades in order to find your most profitable strategies. In the beginning, the platforms for CFDs for MetaTrader were limited. I used spreadsheets in my FX book for some time, but I've always wanted to try TradeZella. TradeZella can now connect to many CFD brokers. It can accept manual exports from MT4 and MT5. It is one of the best platforms that I've used for journaling. In this video, I'm going to walk through the following features. Number one, documenting your playbook in TradeZella. This is extremely important, and the playbook is the core of our trading business. Number two, then measuring your playbook in TradeZella. TradeZella has a great way to measure your different setups so that you can maximize the best setups and minimize the worst performing setups. Number three, the visual trading recap and trading view. TradeZella has an embedded view of trading view that shows you your entry and exits of your different trades. This will help your trading recap be more efficient. Number four, visualize P&L throughout the trade. As you reflect on your trades, you'll be able to look and see how your trade played out over the time between entering and exiting. You can use this feature to see how you can better scale in or also exit different trades. Number five, the P&L calendar. This will give you a visual of which days you perform the best. Number six, the multiple portfolio feature. Number seven, how to use TradeZella as a psychology journal and connect your feelings, your thoughts, emotions directly to trades that you took and that were impacted by those feelings. Number eight, customizable templates for journaling. I only promote products on my channel that I use and that I believe in, and I haven't accepted any outside sponsorship. So trust that I only present to you products that I believe in. I have an affiliate link for TradeZella just because I'm going to promote it more, and I'll do how-to videos to help those that follow my channel. So you can support these videos by using my affiliate link if you decide to join. But again, there's so many different brokers and people that approach me. I'll only promote things that I use and that I believe in. So TradeZella is one of the most powerful platforms that I've used to help me become a better trader. Let's talk about point 1 and 2, how to document your playbook and measure it. Okay, let's get into the TradeZella dashboard. Now, I've synced the docu-series accounts all the way to the funded top tier account, which I have the first payout. I have an episode. I've already requested the first payout. So I've went from phase 1 documented all the way to the first payout. And the docu-series accounts consist of the MFF, the funded trader, and top tier. All of these are recorded, and if you want to watch the docu-series, just go to my channel, watch the playlist of the docu-series. You'll see maybe about 5 hours worth of content, trades directly in the MetaTrader. I've done this to help beginners understand the consistency, the level of discipline, and the work that goes into passing challenges and getting payouts. But TradeZella is another gem. What you'll see here should be at almost 100K. One of the 300K MFF challenges is missing from here because I couldn't load the data. After I passed the challenge with MFF, they delete the accounts. So I wasn't fast enough. I didn't download the data fast enough and load it into TradeZella. So what you'll see roughly is from a day winning percentage, about 72%, about 63%. This isn't all the way accurate because there are some smaller trades that I took for like micro trades. So win rate should be a little bit higher. But the very first thing that I want to show you all is when you look at the dashboard, you have your net P&L, you have your win percentage, you have your R&R, and then you have an equity curve. This is rising. This is how you know you become consistent through losses. You can trade through losses, as well as your wins are larger than the losses. So that's what you'll see right away. Now, the first thing I want to talk about when it comes to TradeZella's features is the playbook, the ability to store your playbook inside of TradeZella. That's number one, because you know that I preach that the playbook is the core of our trading business. You can have the best psychology, the best discipline, you can have the best execution, but if you don't have setups that have edge, if the hard numbers don't add up, you won't make money. If you don't have the right win rate in R&R, you will never make money. So playbook is the core of our trading business. And I haven't seen a software that will allow you to store your playbook and then measure the setups in your playbook. So if you go to strategy here, what you'll see, and this is just only from the docuseries accounts. I didn't link everything. I didn't link all the trades. So this is just a rough estimate, but you'll see I have the strategy names here, and then you can see which of the trades are most profitable. That is very important. Why? Because we want to get bigger in our most profitable trades. We want to figure out how to get bigger in those trades. I can measure this by paper. I can measure this with Excel. And that's what I used to do. I used to measure these types of things in Excel, but now I have a software that syncs automatically. When I'm syncing from my top tier funded account, I use the investor password and I sync directly from the top tier funded account. That is very convenient. Normally when we have to do things like this manually, we won't do it. So if I go to this particular setup, we made 19K throughout the docuseries on this setup. Here's the thing. When you have a setup, you have the criteria, entry criteria, exit criteria, market conditions, and you can get as detailed as you like. You have the executed trades that are tied directly to the strategy. If I click into US 30 here, I've documented on this day, I've taken a screenshot of the profits of the actual setup. So these are reps. The more times I see this setup, the more reps I have visually, the stronger I'll be at this setup. We have inside of the journal for each particular trade, you can add the strategy here. You can check off the rules to show that you followed all the rules. This gets you points. And then there's trading view directly in your journal. You can add attachments. And here also I add my film. I click on the link whenever I want to come back and watch the film, which I store in Google Drive so I can access it. I can drop the links in TradeZella. Now, one other thing that you can do is the replay mode. I record my screens when I'm taking trades, but with the TradeZella, you can replay the trades directly from TradeZella. So I won't go into this feature right now, but you see how you go to the setups, you see your most profitable setups, you're able to assign the strategy that you used to the setup, and then it's easy to add data about that setup. It makes it very easy, okay? And then you can measure the profitability of each setup. Extremely important. For me, this is the #1 feature. If you didn't use it for anything else when it comes to automation, this is the most important one. So if you look at the trade log, type of setup it is, and then the strategy. The setups are the overall more general, and then the particular strategy that I use for entering and trading the setup, what I call the trend. This is a higher time frame trend and the lower time frame trend in alignment, right? Then I'll have scalps, like momentum breakouts, etc. Tagging your setups or trades directly to a setup and a strategy, and then measuring each one's profitability, priceless. Those are the first 2 points. Now, for me, the next point that I like to point out is the ability to recap the trade directly in TradingView. It's extremely important. If you have your data journaling software is separate from TradingView, you have to go back to the chart, go and find your setup. But with TradeZella, you automatically have your entry and your exit on the chart for you. One thing that I can see right away is, right, my initial target was 1500. My initial TP was down here. This trade was moving with momentum, and once price started to reverse, I exited. I went to SPX and I started to trade SPX. If I would have held it, I would have made 1500 versus making 1100, right? But I had rules for this trade to get in and get out. So there's so many things you can take out of the recap. And it makes it a lot easier for you to see exactly where you got in and got out on the chart, and to evaluate why, and to take notes about why. You can add your mistakes here. You can add custom tags here. So it's so many different things that you get out of the trade recap. There's so many things to say here. I'll have to do another video, but these are a few things that are high on my list when it comes to importance. Okay, now one other thing that I really like is the running P&L visualized. You can see your unrealized profits, the potential. Our job is to take the most off of the table. If I start to see a pattern where I'm up in profit and then I'm only taking maybe half of what I had, I have to look at my take profit strategy, my trade management strategy, right? So this is a good way, a good visual for us to see when it comes to evaluating if we're taking the most out of trades, evaluating which type of stop loss that we should use. There's about 7 to 8 different types of stop losses. I'll do a video on the different types, but this is very, very important. Pros become very good at taking profits, taking risk off, and putting risk back on. Your running P&L can help you take a look at how well you managed the trade and took profits off as you went up in profit and the trade started to go against you. Okay, now, so one other thing that I really like is you can add your psychology journal directly to the trade itself. If you go to the daily journal, it'll show you for the day how much you made. Then you have the calendar here on the side, and you have the strategy written clearly so you can add notes for the day. So this is where you can write your psychology journal, right? This dashboard brings all these things together for you to make journaling the 3 types of journals that I mentioned in my other video. If you haven't seen the video, watch it here. You can put the psychology journal, the data journal, and the execution journal all in one place. This is very beneficial. Again, making you more efficient. Now, one other thing that I want to mention is that you can have multiple portfolios. So here's the docuseries portfolio. You can add other portfolios to TradeZella. I'll cover this in another video. Now, one other thing that you see equity curve over a period of time, you see your net daily P&L displayed as a visual. All these visuals make it quick for you to evaluate your performance. You have your recent trades. You have your current open positions. You have a P&L calendar, right? So you can just get a quick snapshot of your green days and your red days, right? Seeing that your green days are more is extremely important. Since these were the docuseries accounts, I wasn't trading these a lot, just taking A setups during the challenge to pass the challenges without a lot of losses, just very strong setups. But I love the P&L calendar. The dashboard is very clean. Now, one other thing that I want to talk about is the reports. There's an overview that shows all of the very important data for the trader, right? What's your average daily P&L, your average winning day, your average losing day? What's the largest profitable day? 22K in one day. What's the largest losing day? Excellent, negative 3K, right? You can see how much you're paying. You can see your number of winning trades and the number of losing trades, right? Your max consecutive wins and max consecutive losses. You see the total commissions that you've paid, the largest profit that you made, right? And the largest loss. So you can see here that the largest loss and the largest profit is at like a 1 to 2. And this is what I normally try to target above a 1 to 2 when it comes to R&R. So here are the stats, right? Extremely important for you to be able to see your stats. So here we have the best month, the lowest month, and the average month. Averaging about 12K per month. During the docuseries, the best month was 23K, the lowest month was 4K. These are all very important stats, results that you can pull. And then you have more detailed stats, like the trade distribution by days, like how many days did you trade? This is the performance, like how much you made on Thursdays, right? Thursdays, we made 37K. Monday, we made 14K. So you get to see your performance by day. This is very important. And then the total losses on those days as well. When it comes to weeks, same thing. When it comes to months, same thing. You can look at the instrument. US 30 made the most amount of money, and this is my specialty. These are all things that if you're failing challenges, if you're blowing accounts, if you don't have this type of data, you're doing yourself a disservice. Because if you have this type of data, you can go and look and see what setups are making you the most money, which instrument is making you the most money. If you document your mistakes, you can see which mistakes are causing you to lose the most money. And when it comes to time, you can look and see which times you made the most money, right? The total profits. I made 25K around 9 o'clock, 16K around 8 o'clock. So my data is showing that I make the most money between 8 and 12 o'clock. Knowing these things are extremely important, and this will help when it comes to forming your trading decisions. You may see at the end of the day that you're losing the most money. So you may just cut that out. These are all very important pieces of data that you need to have as a trader and it will be very revealing. One of the excellent things that you can do here is the compare tool. If I compare the trend with the momentum breakout and generate a report, it'll show me how much P&L I had from this one setup versus the other. Here in this particular dashboard, it's showing me that from the momentum breakout, I made 1,600. And from the trend trades, I made 31,000. This is a robust, powerful tool. 58% win rate, 33% win rate. Extremely powerful. It's automating a lot of the work for you. A lot of the work when it comes to pulling out the best from your strategy, getting bigger in the best plays with the instruments that you're the best with, getting bigger in those, maximizing those trades. So if I know my trend setups are the best for me, right? You can go look at when you're going short. If I know that they're the best, then I need to put more emphasis and put more risk behind those. So there's so much you can gather from this tool. If you want me to do a more thorough tutorial on any aspect of TradeZella, let me know in the comment section and I'll do more videos targeting certain aspects of TradeZella and how to use them. Ability to create custom templates for journaling. Now, this right here is something that I use Notion for, and I haven't transferred my journal completely over to TradeZella, but this is something I'm going to do because I discovered that you can create custom templates. What I do is I use a daily report card, call it my DRC. I got the concept from Elite Traders. So what I've created here is something called the daily report card template. And this makes it easy for me to have my reminders here, have my things that I write in my daily report card that's already generated in a template that's customizable, right? So when I come to create a new note, all I have to do is create new note, add template, and use the daily report card. Boom, it's populated. So from there, all I have to do is just fill in my daily report card, right? Did I do my prayer? Did I do my visualization? These are the reminders that I want to do. Did I put my phone on do not disturb? So you can create a custom template that's tailored for you for that date. So normally what I would do is if today is October 13th, I'll have the date here so that I can easily sort my daily report card, right? So this is something that I haven't quite populated in full yet, but this is a major feature of TradeZella. So what my Notion looks like right now is every trading day, every day that I'm going to the desk, even some days that I don't, I have a daily report card and I'm starting with a goal. Endless templates, and you can create tags as well. So this platform is robust. Let me know if you want me to do more about the daily report card. And lastly, what I do want to mention is that they have a university, right, where Umar Ashraf is walking through how to use TradeZella for success. I hope you find this beneficial. You can support this channel by using my link when you sign up with TradeZella. If you'd like me to continue doing videos like this and tutorials on tools that will help, let me know in the comments section if this was beneficial. And if you have any questions, I'll try to answer them. Please like and subscribe. To join my Discord and get my free prop firm course, click the link in the bio to get a discount on TradeZella and to support the channel. To see a video on my thought process behind risk management, watch this video.